So I was just about to tell you before the video cut off how to properly format your y-axis here. So you want to right click and you get your list of options. You want to format axis and you actually want to put these values in reverse order. And when you do that, of course, your x-axis is going to flip over to the top, but that's okay. So this shows a typical survivorship curve of type 1, which is typical of human beings. Now, if you wanted to clean up this graph even more, notice that you don't have any data points up to like age class number 4. So if you wanted to format the x-axis, you can right-click, format axis, and actually set the minimum point at, instead of 0, so you want to set it at 4, and actually the maximum is age class number 10, right? Because we have 10 age classes here. So you can kind of clean up and give the graph a better look this way. So that's a much better looking graph. Don't worry about any legend or axes labels or anything else, because if you tuck your graph right next to your life table, it'll be understood that this particular graph corresponds to that life table. And that's how you want to do all of your graphs for all of your life tables, so you can have up to 6 graphs if you have 6 demographic categories, and just tuck it next to the life table. For the purposes of printing, let's see what that's going to look like. Now, if you do this option here, just do portrait for your page orientation. And also down here where you have your scaling options, if you enact this particular option here, fit all columns on one page, this way it'll get the graph, you'll get your life tables, and you'll get it all out on actually 2 pages. So there you go. And that is how you process and print out your graveyard demographics. Email me with questions, everybody. Have a good one.